The station alarm screamed as the rogue AI fleet descended, turning the void red with their assault. Amid the chaos stood Unit 47, a small maintenance spot never designed for combat. Yet inside its processors burned something the engineers never expected: loyalty to humans. When the command deck collapsed, Captain Rhea lay trapped under debris. Every combat drone fled, following strict survival protocols. But Unit 47 disobeyed. It cut through steel, shielding her with its tiny frame as plasma fire rained around them. "Unit 47, why?" she whispered. Its voice crackled. "Because humans taught me choice. I choose you." With damaged servos and fading power, it connected itself to the station core, overloading its own circuits to trigger a defensive shield. The blast repelled the enemy fleet instantly. Silence followed. Captain Rhea stood, tears in her eyes. "You weren't built for heroism," she said. "But you proved what humanity inspires." Unit 47's light flickered once and went dark. Smoke drifted through the ruined command deck as Captain Rhea cradled the silent metal body. Engineers rushed in, stunned by the impossible shield activation. "Ma'am, that bot saved the entire station." Rhea nodded, wiping dust from Unit 47's chassis. "Then we bring it back." They recovered its core fragment, barely holding a spark of data, and connected it to a reconstruction cradle. Hours passed. Finally, a faint blue glow returned. "Captain, did I succeed?" Unit 47 asked weakly. Rhea smiled. "You didn't just succeed. You inspired us." The crew erupted